Everybody should change. Here, in matters of change, no leader, no follower. Everybody has to change. So, Buddha was a prince. He changed. He was a leader. He changed the top. He was in the top. So, he changed himself. And all the kings in those days, they followed Buddha. King after king, they followed Buddha. King after king, they gave lands to Buddha to start ashrams. So everybody followed Buddha, whether it is a king or a commoner, whether it is a monk or a lay person, everybody followed Buddha. Everybody should follow spirituality. Buddha came to establish true spirituality on this earth planet. And he did it wonderfully. We have to follow suit. Spirituality should come. That is why Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is there. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is Buddha reincarnated. In those times he did say, I am going to come back after 2500 years. So this is what we are seeing now. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is nothing but Buddha's reincarnation, coming back again to establish true spirituality, to get rid of prayers, pujas, beggings, to establish meditation, true science of meditation. So when he established a true science of meditation, all the kings followed him. Same thing will happen here. We have established true science of meditation in Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, and everybody will follow us. Who does not want truth? Everybody wants truth. Who does not want health and happiness and enlightenment? King or commoner? Who does not want? King also wants health and happiness. Commoner also wants health and happiness. So everybody should follow spirituality, should take to spirituality. Once you take to spirituality, automatically you are in the spiritual politics. Automatically. How you came into spiritual politics, Mr. Prem Kumar? Because he became spiritual. Had he not become spiritual, would he enter Pyramid Party? No. So that everything comes from spirituality. So we have to spread spirituality. That's what we are doing in Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. That's our job. That's what Buddha did. That's what we are doing. The whole world will follow Buddha. The whole world will follow PSSM. It has to follow. Truth is one and same everywhere. Truth is not two and different from place to place. Truth is one and it is the same everywhere. What is the truth? Meditation is the truth. You have to close your eyes and observe your breathing. Make your mind empty. Make your soul active. Make your powers of the soul active. Powers of the soul are called intuition. So intuitively you will begin to know. That intuition develops only through meditation.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.